I don't know how I'm gonna start this vlog. This vlog has been all over the place, so it's just a bit. Hey y'all, so I am in my car, as you can see. Today I am going kind of like spooky shopping for fall and stuff, and I finally want to decorate my room. I already started with like random things that I bought from the dollar store, but yeah, so it was very cute, but I still want some more. Like I want a pumpkin scented candle, I wanted like just little knickknacks here and there, and I already have a blanket at my house, so I don't need to buy another one, but I'm also just looking. Doesn't hurt to look. So that's what we're doing, fall shopping and then decorating my room when I get home. So let's go do the damn thing. Five Below. Okay, so there wasn't much there at Five Below, and Five Below has really been slacking. Like, it depends on the Five Below though. The one near my job, they're pretty good, but the ones near my house aren't that good, and that's just suckish. But I got a cute thing for my bestie Tasha for her birthday, because I'm a little late to that, but I got something for her. I'm gonna stop at TJ Maxx. I really just want a candle at this point. I don't need no more room decor, so it's really just looking for a candle. But I know when I get to TJ Maxx, something is gonna stir me up, you know, something's gonna get in my cart some way, somehow. So we're gonna look there. Let's see if I hold myself back. I just got back from Home Goods at TJ Maxx. There was nothing in there, so there was nothing for me to even like grab or anything like that. I can't go shopping down my way no more. Like, that shit is dead. Like, dead. So dead. I'm gonna start going up by my school or by my job, because everything else is just fucking ass. But I'm going home. Gonna just take everything that I have and just set up the mood, because what I have is gonna be cute regardless. My room's gonna be cute, period. But it took me forever to find a candle. Oh my god, I was literally in there for like 15-20 minutes just trying to find a candle, and I finally found it. So let's go set that shit up. Hey y'all, I am back home. It's been a little minute though. Had to take my hair out. I have like the biggest headache ever, but I'm gonna show you what I got. Maybe I'll set it up tonight, or I'll do that tomorrow with like better lighting and stuff like that after work. Regardless, you're gonna see, but I'm just gonna give you the haul now, and then I'll set up when I'm ready to set up. So first thing was from the dollar store, and it's this table runner, and it has like spider webs. I don't even know, it could be spider webs. Yeah, spider webs, stuff like that. So I'm gonna put this on my dresser just as like something to cover it, give it a little bit more, you know, you know what I mean, a little bit. Then I got my friend Tasha something, but I don't want to show y'all. Maybe I'll give it to her by that time. But I got her little baddie back thing. And it's a pillow, like a little throw pillow. I wanted it so bad, but look how cute. So cute. I just got the candle. It is Pumpkin Caramel by Sand and Fog. Really good brand. I changed the lid because it was a different lid on here. It was like a candy corn, but I was like, no. It says it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus, and Hocus Pocus is my favorite movie for Halloween ever. So good, so freaking good. So that's what I got. We'll probably finish setting up tomorrow. I want to do a whole reset and clean my room, so we would definitely be doing that mañana. So I'll see y'all mañana. It's the next day. I just got out of work. I showered and I ate, and I've been in a fluctuating mood recently, so I think I need a reset. Well, I'm ready to turn my room into a real spooky room. I showed you guys this before. I have my bathtub. I have many little pumpkins that I have up, but I really want to go all out. Y'all saw yesterday that I bought some new things, so I'm ready just to have a nice clean room with good vibes, good intentions, just a peaceful room, because I've been really out of it recently. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. So first, y'all saw the mess that's in that corner. The mess will always come back for some reason. I have random mess on my bed. Things just aren't organized and they've just been thrown. I really just did this like past 3 days because I've been working. I have not just sat down and relaxed. Besides yesterday, but yesterday I went to go shop and I was just still, it was a lot of things going on in my head that I just, fluctuating mood, like I said. So yeah, there's things to clean, there's things to organize and fix, and that's what I'm about to get into. Let's do it.
Look at her. Look at her woman, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. We gon' function, no assumptions. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just. Like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh, girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I basically finished, sorry, turn on my TV. I basically finished everything. I just have to fix my bed and take my dishes down, and then I'm really done. Oh, and sweep. I have to sweep my floors. Alexa, stop. Anyways, I have to sweep and then organize. Maybe just fix the top of that because that's a mess. Okay, let's go do that. Today's video. Thank you for being so patient with me once again. I really enjoy making videos nowadays. It helps me keep centered again. I enjoyed this one specifically because spooky season is amongst us, and if you are not with the vibes, get into the vibes. Many people started like September 1st, so I'm late to the game. So if you didn't start, you need to start because you're definitely late to the game. But yes, I just hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you had a nice reset with me. I hope you turned your rooms into a spooky, fun, cute aesthetic. And if you don't celebrate spooky season, that is okay. I hope you still reset it. I hope you cleaned your room, and I hope you just found peace and brought peace into your room and set good intentions. For the rest of the night, I'm going to go over my agendas and probably just read my Bible and honestly just head to bed. It's been a long day. So again, thank you guys so much for watching and being so patient. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you for the next video. Bye.